Here is my collection of tube socks sitting on my wonderful bed. That's Rhino Dino. Okay. My favorite pair of tube socks. If you hear music in my background, sorry, it's coming from my living room. They're stuck together. Anyway, black and white. My Invader Zim Gur pair. Invader Zim. My ducky ones. There's my foot. My feet are ugly. But yeah. And so are Zoe's. Look. Oh wait, she has shoes on.
Thank you.
I love Mook House.
Nick Rhino Dino's
That's not. Snoopy.
Oh, dang.
Snoopy. Black and white. Eli.
Cute little Converse.
Black and white. And my magnificent Converse that I wear all my tube socks with. So, see you later. Gotta go clean some more. Ooh, that's a bowl. See you later.